Hello, this is Jack, and
This
this
is
is,
Baron.
we're coming from AGC Lighting. And
Yeah.
today we're gonna introduce to you with two great LED floodlights. With us, we have FL11 and FL28.
Yeah.
So for FL11, Barry, please introduce to us more about it, about the initial design purpose for this FL11 floodlights.
Okay. Uh, you know, our Floodlight 11 was born in 2019.
Mm-hmm.
At that time, on the market, there's a lot of floodlights or without or optical lens design,
Mm-hmm.
or they just have 120-degree lens, and that
Yes, exactly.
yeah, and that design will just wave a lot of lines.
Mhm.
We just can
You
optimize
mean light
the
pollution?
lines. Yeah,
Yeah.
sometimes there's this light pollution and this disturbing our people sleep at night.
Mhm.
So to solve these shortages,
Mhm.
or we AGC develop this light level.
Mhm.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's the initial purpose
Yeah,
for
totally.
this light.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah, Barry just introduced to us that actually we designed it, our FL11, actually because for back in the days that most of the current LED floodlights in market are actually only with one beam angle, uh, 120-degree lighting beam angle, which is not so, good enough to for wide for different lighting applications, especially for some places, which is where it's very strict about the lighting pollution, such kind of application. So you really have to have different lighting distribution options
Yeah.
for a better lighting pollution control and also a better lighting, purpose for your specific project. So yeah, Barry. And also I would like to say that our audience is actually want to know more about this spotlight's specifications and also its features and benefits. So Baron, you can introduce more about that.
Sure. First, we've developed a range of voltages from 50 watts to 300 watts, and we have 5 sizes for each watt to make sure
Okay.
every of the floodlight has it just goes
You
active.
mean 5 sizes
Yeah,
for
five
each
for
of the
each.
wattage?
Yes,
Yeah.
for
Okay.
50, 100, 150,
Okay.
200,
And
and
300.
300. Just make sure that they are most cost active.
Yes.
Yeah,
Totally.
yes, on the market. So
Yeah, exactly. That's actually the most cost-effective way,
yeah,
to have a single, size for different watts. For example, 50 watts of independent size, and also 150, 200, and 300 watts all have, different sizes to achieve the most cost-effective, which we can provide to our customers.
yeah. As you can see, the sample on the table, we use the barcode design
Yes.
to fix the glass and housing. This design is really good.
Yes.
As it is good for the maintenance in the future. Just need to take off the screws and then
Very easy.
yeah, very easily.
The installation and also maintenance.
So one day if the LED board is broken, you just need to take off the screws and then replace the LED board.
Replace
So
the AD module.
yes,
Quite easy. You don't have to, you don't have to like open the whole fixture
yeah,
to replace the LED module other components.
Yes.
And also, I think our audience also noticed that this, the front side, it's actually very special because we not only have the tempered glass, the PC lens, but we have the tempered glass over the PC lens. Its purpose is to protect our PC lens from aging and yellowing, especially in outdoor environment, from the UV radiation.
Yeah. Besides, you can notice there's a U-shaped bracket, and
Okay.
at the corner of this bracket, it is bent, and this design it helps for make it more stable, much
Yes,
more stable,
I
and
see. So this bracket is actually, available for installation for high post and high mast installation, right? Project
yes,
installation. And also, it's actually flexible because it's adjustable to, adjust the bracket, for a specific angle to end the LED floodlights, the lighting distribution to your targeted, lighting area.
yeah. So it would be the detailed parameters for this and benefits for this Floodlight 11. Next, we're gonna introduce you guys our Floodlight 28.
Yes, the sports lighting at FL28 LED floodlights. So as you can see, it's very big. I mean, the big word must be the word that comes up to in your mind personally, as you can see here.
So, Jack, could you please
Yes.
tell me the detail or configurations of this Floodlight 28?
Yes, of course. I actually got to introduce to you from its structure and then to its technical data as well, and also its other features and benefits, advantages that we have with our FL28. Now, as you can see for our FL28, it's very easily you can notice that it's modular design for this FL28 LED floodlight. This sample we got here is actually 1,200 watts. So it has got 3 modules here. So as you know, Barry, the modular, lighting fixture, the most, one of the most highlighted feature is that it's easy for maintenance, right? Because, if ever one of these LED modules break, I mean, for example, after like 4 to 5 years, one of these LED modules break, you can actually replace and maintenance, very easily. You just only need to replace one of these. You don't have, without, affect the total fixture.
Yeah, sure. The maintenance cost is really low.
Yes.
Yes.
And also, I'm gonna introduce to you also with this LED floodlights installation bracket. As you can see, you're gonna stand up, introduce to you. Here, it's also very flexible because we got scale, adjustable scale. It's actually 180-degree plus and minus, adjustable, which is at a total 360-degree adjustable. Very flexible, especially because it's for the sports lighting application. So when you install it, you definitely need to adjust the lighting fixture angle, to make sure that it ends to the targeted, lighting area. And also, speaking of that, we also provide up here can install any device to help you target the lighting fixture, for a precise lighting over your targeted, lighting area as well.
Yeah. Okay, Jack. There's a huge
Okay.
black boxes there. Are so our customers might wonder or what it is. What is it?
Yes, exactly. Barry, you just noticed that, and also ask for our audience that we have this huge, you can say, driver box
really
over
huge.
here. It's very huge. It's a driver box. We put the driver in the box here, and also actually you can put other systems and also smart control systems in it as well, like DMX system or intelligent control systems as well. So it's very convenient and also very efficient because as you can see, the driver box and the lighting fixture are actually separated. So this design would help really reduce the impact of the heat dissipation for the driver box, for the drivers, and the lighting fixture to interfere with each other.
Yeah, it's a good design.
Yes. And also, Baron, I also want to introduce to our audience that actually, I would say that they must be concerned about our driver box, weight, because it's huge.
Yeah.
So it literally it might affect, the total installation bracket. But for that, we actually have already tested for the 3G vibration test, right?
So we have available text report.
Yes,
Cool.
we have this report of 3G vibration test, to make sure that our driver box, when our driver box attached to the installation bracket, it would not break the installation brackets here and this bracket. So that's not a problem. And also, Baron, as we know that this driver box can either be attached to our FL28, but also can be separated, at a far distance, as far as 50 meters.
Yeah.
So, Barry, yeah, that's also a very highlighted feature.
Yeah.
Because we can either, when separated, we can either install it on the high mast pole, high mast pole, or also you can install it in the electrical cabinet, usually for, like for example, the stadiums, usually for those applications, there must be some electrical cabinets for electrical facilities.
Good.
Yeah.
That's good for us to offer the customers more as many as in-store options.
Yes, yeah, exactly. And also for easy inspection, because when the driver box is separated from the light fixture, it can be easier, for the users to inspect the driver, inspect its working status, because once, if the driver box is attached to the fixture on such high, post, it's not that easy, to inspect for maintenance.
Yeah. Anyway, it's a good design if we can help our customers to reduce their maintenance cost. Yeah.
Yeah.
So Jack, we know this. There's a road here.
Oh, okay. Yes, you have noticed. Yeah. So yes, we actually provided also with this safety rope. As you can see, it's actually steel made rope. As you can see, for safety purpose.
Yeah.
because after all, this sports lighting FL28 LED floodlight is to be installed on high post, on very high,
Yeah.
spaces, places. So safety is actually our first priority.
Yeah, as you can see, our Floodlight 28 is really huge and it is really heavy.
Yes,
Yeah.
yeah. So we want to make sure that our clients, our customers can install this fixture, safely, and also for its long, working duration to make sure it would not, break down or falling down from the high mast. And in bearing, yes, there's also another very interesting advantage of our FL28 floodlight. You might notice as well, and we can introduce to our audience as well. And that is our here, the cable protection pipe, as you can see.
So, what's it used for?
Yeah, so our customers will be really curious about it because normally no other, products, no other floodlights would have this kind of design, to put a pipe, or over the cable.
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna explain because, like I said, this sports lighting LED floodlight is to be installed on very high posts. So under that condition, most cases we would have some, birds, coming to the fixture,
Yeah.
and in order to prevent the birds pecking, especially, for the cables, we have designed it with this pipe to protect it from birds pecking.
Very funny.
Very yeah, very funny and interesting.
Yes, I just don't know why.
And very
Jack, do you know why?
Well, I would say that well, if you are a bird, you might be standing on this picture and you see something, especially the cable. It looks like, kind of worm, because yeah. So birds might think that the cable for the birds, it might be some kind of food or something, or just for fun.
Wow.
Yeah.
If that's a reason, it is really fun. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah. So Barry, yeah, go on.
Okay. Most of our customers might wonder, when the color market, the lead time is really long, maybe
Yes.
normally 2 months or 3 months.
Mm.
So our customers might wonder what's the lead time of our Floodlight 11 and Floodlight 28.
You mean the production lead time, or?
Yes, just from our customer place an order, and when we can deliver the goods to our customers.
Okay, that's a very good question for our audience because I think they would be really interested in that. Because especially, during current pandemic situation, most of our clients would worry about the product's production lead time. But for that, we can say that to make sure that we can provide a short production lead time, we value our raw material storage safety. So normally we have enough, raw material for most of these popular products, so that we can, assemble these lights in a very short time and provide to our customers.
Yeah. Jack. Yeah.
Yes.
It's really a good idea for our customers. As you know, for most of their suppliers in China, they just are only react after receiving the order from the customer.
Mhm.
It's just say if I were
Mhm.
our supplier in China,
Okay.
we just buy raw material after receiving our customers' order,
Mhm.
and we will close our 1 or 2 months to buy
Mhm.
raw material, so that we assemble. So,
Yes.
yeah, this pure this would be a long time to finish the order for our customers. So
Yeah. Exactly.
yeah,
Yes.
I think their idea in AGC is really great for solving the lead time of our
Yes.
customers. Yeah.
And that's also why, over the past 2 years, since 2019, the COVID pandemic, broke out, we still can, grow very steadily, over the past 2 to 3 years. Because we can provide, our products, we can assemble these products in a very short time and provide to our customers. So we have an old saying, time is money.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Totally agree.
yeah,
Yes.
exactly. So we notice that, and we value our, storage, especially raw material storage safety,
Yeah.
and we make sure that we have enough, stock of raw materials and also some finished popular product items in our warehouse, for uh, quick, quick delivery,
Yes.
a quick offer to customers.
Or yeah, for sample order, we may only use 1 week.
Yes.
Yeah, that's really amazing for the industrial and outdoor lighting area. Yes.
Yes, Baron, exactly. And also, I think our audience would like to know that how we control our product quality, and do we have, you know, very experienced or professional, process to control our quality like that?
Yeah.
I think Barry, you can share with our audience more about that.
Our first, before our Floodlight 11 and Floodlight 28 released, we must pass all the reliable tests, such as safety test, or thermal test,
Okay.
waterproof test,
Mhm.
IK rating test.
Mhm.
You just mentioned before
Mhm.
3G
Yeah, the 3G vibration
test.
Yeah.
And there are and the package driven test.
Yeah, the
So
package
many reliable tests we must be done before this product released.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
Normally, like 6 months, 6 months before we release a new product,
Yeah.
we have done, so many tests to make sure that we have a very good quality product, to provide offer to our customers.
Yes. Secondly, we have a strong QA team with more than 40 people.
Mhm.
Yeah.
You say more than 40?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
Literally 43
We have a
quality
big
control
team.
people. Yes. They conduct their responsibility in raw material input
Yes.
and production processing and finished product quality control. Yeah. So we will make sure every product our AGC offers will be qualified. No.
Yes, qualified.
Yes. So
Exactly.
so that's why our AGC shares great reputations in their
Yes.
in-store, industrial and outdoor lighting area. So many customers around the world trust us and just keep doing
Buying from
long-term
us,
business with us.
And establish long-term business relationship with us.
Yes. lead time would be the number one reason, and the quality is another great reason.
Yes.
Yes.
That's true.
So that's why we ensure
Yeah.
the good quality product.
Yeah. We make sure that we inspect strictly on every aspect, of the whole process, from design to final assembly.
Yes.
So don't worry if you order these products from us, from AGC Lighting, you definitely would get qualified and inspected already. Have tested for quite different, tests of product that would be provided. So
yeah,
we can guarantee that.
Yes, we will solve all the damaged products within their 5 years warranty. Yes.
Yeah, normally we provide 5 years of warranty for our products. And during the warranty period, if these products, after for example, for five years, not within 5 years, these fixtures break, well, not because you're wrong operation, then we can actually, we can send these fixtures back to us, and we will fix these fixtures and send back to you.
Yeah. Also, we will cover the cost.
Yeah, exactly.
So, Jack, do we have some successful cases for this for this Floodlight 11 and Floodlight 28?
Yes, of course. We have well, just too many actually.
Yes.
For a moment, I can't really list every one of them.
Yes, as these two Floodlights is really popular around the world, especially in Europe.
Yes.
North
America.
Yes. So, if you would like to learn more, get more information, just contact.
You can contact us from website or contact us directly.
Yes, Jack at agcled.com or Baron
at agcled.com.
Yes, that's all we would like to share today.
So yeah.
See you next time.
Thank you very much for your time, and we will see you next time.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.